Alright. It's as done as it's gonna get for right now. Carbs have been done. Got the battery done. Battery box, so you can't really see it from there. So who wants to take bets on whether this thing's gonna fire or not? Alright, here goes. Some neutral. I better sit on it just to make sure. Oh, what was that noise? Okay. Shaking a little bit. Got some problems, but for the most part, it's going, right? It's like 9:30. Hopefully the neighbors are okay with me getting this thing started up. Alright. Now here's something. Keys in the off position. Headlight dead. Motor's still running. It's kind of a problem. We'll get that fixed. But, hooray, right? Hooray to you and me.